know why he was just going over the line. He's probably on his phone.
He's up and down there or something.
What is this guy doing? He's all over the road. Holy shit.
Jeez.
He almost hit that guy head on.
Yeah.
Get off your phone.
Don't.
Holy fuck.
Now he's going the other way. Now he's going to turn. He's probably been drinking.
Holy shit. The woman.
Is it?
Yep. Whoa.
Yeah.
Get on your side of the road, lady.
Jesus.
What the fuck are you doing? You're on my side of the road. Holy shit. Whoa, fuck. Holy crap, not even close. What a joke. Nice red light you're in there, buddy. Oh, nice red light there. Oh my God, that was not even close. That's a red light you're going through there, buddy. Wow. That's a red light you're going to go through. Jesus. Fuck! Get off your phone and pay attention. What the fuck are you looking at? Fuck! You're the one that walked across there so fast. I can't fucking see you coming. I don't have fucking X-ray eyes.